This is Mamutasan Meraz. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view and all the dimensions are given in the isometric view. So first of all, I listed drawing from the top plane. In the top plane, I will draw a rectangle, and this rectangle has a dimension of 75 by 56 unit. Then I will expose it to 18 unit. Then here we can see we have another circle here, and this circle has a dimension of 36 diameter. And for drawing this circle, we can see it has a vertical distance of 63 unit and the horizontal distance of 100 unit. So from this top plane, I'll draw another reference plane here, and that reference plane has a height distance of 63 unit, and from that I will draw a circle of 36 unit diameter, and I'll dimension it from this center line to this line is 100 unit. Okay, then I'll distribute it to 25 unit, and after that we can see we have another inclined line from here to here, and this inclined line has a distance from this point to this point. It has a distance of as this distance is 36 unit, so here to here the distance will be 100 minus 36 unit. Then from this inner point to here, uh, we'll connect this, we'll draw another line here and we'll connect these all line together. Okay, then I'll distribute it to 12 unit here. Okay, let me demonstrate. So first of all, let me select the top plane from here. Now right click on it, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select the center rectangle from here and place the center rectangle at the origin, and this center rectangle has a dimension of 56 by 75 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 18 unit. So extrude boss it to 18 unit. Now press OK. Now select the top plane here, and now select the reference, now select the reference plane and draw a plane of 63 unit from the top plane. Now press OK. Now select this new plane, now sketch, now normal to it. After that, select circle and along this center line draw a circle of 36 unit. Okay, now select this one dimension tool, and from this circle center line to this line, it has a distance of 100 unit. So dimension it to 100 unit. Now press OK. After that, now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 25 unit. Now reverse the direction, now press OK. Now hide this plane, now select the right plane here, now sketch, now normal to it, and now select line tool from here, and from this point draw an inclined line along this line. Okay, so we have drawn an inclined line. Now select the smart dimension tool, and as this distance is 36 unit, so from this point to this point the distance will be 100 minus 36, 100 minus 36 unit. Now select the line tool again and draw a line here and draw another vertical line here and draw an inclined line. Now close the shape. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss. As the total portion is 12 units, so extrude boss it to 12 unit. Now select from midplane. Now press OK. But in our case we have a tiny gap here, so we need to fill this gap in this portion. So I'm selecting this top face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select this line and select control click this circle. Now convert into this, and this circle and line will be converted. Now select line tool and draw a vertical line here, and again select the line tool and draw another vertical line. Now select the trim option and trim all the unnecessary line that we don't need. Now press OK. So our two triangular shape has been drawn. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now select this two triangle. Okay, our two triangle has been selected. Now select up to surface and we'll extrude boss it to up to this surface. So our gap is filled. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch again. In our sketch we can see we have a circular cut here, and this circular cut has a dimension of 12 unit, and it has a horizontal distance of 15 unit here and a vertical distance of 28 unit. Then I will draw a center line here and center line here. Then I will mirror this other circle. Then I will extrude cut this portion. Okay. Another thing we can see that we have another rectangular cut here, and for drawing this rectangular cut, I will first of all from the midpoint I will draw a center line of dimension 6 unit. Then I will draw two vertical line by offsetting, and this two line has a distance of 32 unit, so the half distance will be 32 divided by 2. Then I will close the shape. Then I will extrude cut this portion. Okay. Then after that we can see we have another extrude cut circle here, and this extrude cut circle has a dimension of 22 diameter. So I will draw a 22 diameter circle here. Then I will extrude cut this portion. Okay, let's go back to our drawing, our model. Now select this surface. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now select circle and draw a circle of 12 diameter. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from this point to this horizontal line the vertical distance will be 28 unit. So dimension it to 28 unit. Then again select this line to this line, the dimension is 15 units. So dimension it to 15 unit. Now press OK. Now select the center line and draw a center line here, and now select the mirror entity. Select the mirror entities, and entities to be mirrored. We want to mirror this circle, and mirror about. We want to mirror it about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now select this arrow. Extrude cut this portion. Okay, this portion has been extrude cut done. Now select this side face for rectangular extrude cut. Now select sketch. Now normal to it. Now select the center line from here, and from this midpoint draw a center line of 6 unit. So drawing a center line of 6 unit. You can zoom it here. Okay. Now select the offset entities as the total distance is 32 unit. So the half distance will be 32 divided by 2. Now make sure to click bidirectional cap int line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. So our extrude cut portion has been done. Now again select this upper face. Now right click on it. Now sketch. Now normal to it. Now we need to draw the extrude cut circle. Now select a circle and draw a circle to the previous circle center line. Now draw a circle of 22 diameter Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. So as you can see, we have drawn our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.